Hello again, everyone. Let's take a look at how your weekend will be starting off. And after a heat wave in the last few days, cooler air will finally be reaching the southern interior, dropping the temperatures by a couple of degrees, and that heat wave comes to an end. While it remains hot on the Highveld under partly cloudy skies, and there could be a few thunder showers in the afternoon. By evening, it will be quite cloudy for some areas along the east coast, where there could also be some light rain. But let's start off the detailed provincial forecast in the Northern Cape, where we see that there will still be a few thunder showers over the eastern parts of the province. Uppington remaining dry for now with a maximum of 37 degrees. Slightly warmer over the Atlantic coastline of the Western Cape. Cape Town 23-25 for Langebaan, while it is cooler for Beaufort West, but still getting into the 30s. Temperatures are going to be high for many areas over the Eastern Cape, where there could be a few thunder showers inland and along the coastline. Most places will be dry, but Port St. John's, you could have light rain from afternoon and into the evening. Mostly cloudy for the south coast of KZN, and while much of the province will be dry around the Drakensberg, there could be a few thunder showers later on. Dry weather continues for Mpumalanga, along with hot conditions, many areas climbing into the 30s for the afternoon. And temperatures remain high all across Limpopo as well. Some cloud development over this region, but we don't expect any rainfall. Almost no change for the northwest. Temperatures once again getting into the mid-30s. Freiburg starting off cool with a minimum temperature of 12. But for the Free State, we are likely to see a few thunder showers, especially over the western parts. But there's also a possibility around Harrismith. Finally, into Gauteng. Hot weather continuing over this province. Some cloud develops in the afternoon, but for now, no rain expected. Let's take a look at your forecast for the second half of the weekend, and it's going to be a hot day for all of South Africa's interior. Milder along the south coast, George with a high of 21, and things change on Monday with wet weather expected for some areas along the coastline, and a few thunder showers return to Gauteng and the surrounding provinces.